Hi everybody and welcome back. Well, today I'm going to show you how to save yourself a few bob by drying your own herbs. In this case it's going to be parsley. I've got it in this little jar, and as you can see I've just tucked a bit of kitchen paper in there just to help keep it dried, but I'm going to show you in a minute. I've dried this in a microwave. You know, often you go to the supermarket and you buy some herbs because you need some tarragon, some parsley, some coriander, and you use a little bit and the rest goes in the fridge to rot. Unless you freeze it, of course. You can freeze it, but I always forget to freeze mine. So let me show you how to do this in a microwave. It's so simple and it will save you some money.
You can do this with any herbs that you like. Today I'm going to be doing it with parsley. Here I have the parsley and I've removed most of the leaves from the stalks as best I can. Now I put the leaves onto some kitchen paper which is on a plate and spread them around to make a single layer. I cut the paper to fit the plate. Then I cover this with another piece of kitchen paper. Put the plate into a microwave and time it for 2 minutes on high. Halfway through, take the plate out and change the bottom piece of paper for a fresh piece. You can see all the moisture that's built up in the paper. Then back into the microwave to finish off. Out it comes. Remove the kitchen towel, and as you can see it's completely dried now, and you can sort of sprinkle it. You can sprinkle it about with your fingers and remove any big woody bits, take them out. You don't need those. And I'm going to put this finished product into this neat little jar. To be honest, I should have made a lot more because it won't look very much when it's in this jar. And finish it off with a neat little label. How sweet is that? And there you have it, your own very own dried parsley. As I say, you can do this with any herbs. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.